Hello everybody, I wanted to show you this new carpet and steam cleaner that I got. I was so tired of spending money on getting my carpets cleaned because I have a dog that's got pancreatitis, and for the most part she does okay, but there's sometimes when she has accidents and we really try hard to stay on top of the stains. And also I travel, and this is something if I wanted to I could take with me. It cleans upholstery, it cleans cars, it cleans windows, it's got all of these different pieces that you can attach to it when it's cool. It's hot right now. This right here attaches to this right here. After you take this off, put this on, and you can clean your windows with it. You steam clean your windows. Amazing, it lasts forever. The pieces that I have right here, upholstery cleaners, carpet cleaners, it comes with extras. This right here, I use to clean my blinds, and I use to clean my car, like the inside where the steering wheel is. It's a steamer. I clean the tracks of the sliding glass door. I clean everything. Now let me show you how this handy little thing works. It is right here. It's plugged in, so I can't take it apart. But right here, you would unscrew that. You would put your funnel that you get in there. You would fill this up with water. You would pour it in there, and it tells you how much to use. You would twist this back on. You would plug it in, and then you would wait for, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes. It's hard to see the light. The light doesn't really shine very bright, but when this light is orange, it's ready to go. I mean, it's when it's not orange, it's ready to go. And all you have to do is push this button right here, and you can see the steam come out. And it is amazing. It is amazing. I absolutely love it. So take a look at one. You can find my affiliate link. I got this from Amazon. You can find the link below, and I may get a commission on it. One more thing I did want to show you is you can take this piece off, and this is how you de-wrinkle your clothes when you're in a pinch. Thanks guys, take a look at the link below.